Let's talk about somebody who is also very patient. That would be Michael Saylor. At the Bitcoin conference in Nashville, he put out a prediction, Pete, for Bitcoin in 2045. Now, a lot of you will have a hard time telling me what you might be doing tomorrow or later in the week. But Michael Saylor apparently has vision that goes out to 2045, not just the laser eyes, Pete, but vision. And here's his prediction. Take a listen.
Here's my macro Bitcoin forecast. It's 21 years. Goes out to the year 2045. What do I think will happen? Well, I've got a bear case and a bull case, but what I think will happen is that 55% ARR goes to 50%, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20. It's between 50 and 20. It'll gradually decelerate till it's growing about twice as fast as the S&P index.
How do you go to 2045?
And at that rate, Bitcoin's $13 million a coin in the year 2045. 13 million. It could be a 3 million bear case. It could be a 49 million bull case. But what is Bitcoin?
49 million
of the world's assets then.
Yep.
That's some real numbers, John.
Yep. Somewhere between 3 million by 2045 and 49 million. And I'll say this for him, Pete. He does put his money where his mouth is.
Yeah.
I mean, MicroStrategy, that is, I know most of you know this, but that is the chairman of MicroStrategy. He has made billions, plural, for shareholders and himself by being a Bitcoin maximalist. That is what he buys. If you're looking for the guys buying Ethereum or Solana or any of the altcoins, nope. Michael Saylor has been buying Bitcoin, and he occasionally takes a little off the table, Pete, just so that they can pay taxes and things like that. But other than that, he holds, and then he buys more on dips. Now, we were up through 70,000 briefly today, Pete. We've traded down over $2,000 from the high. President Trump was there touting Bitcoin. We had unusual activity, Pete, because, you know, hey, if you know that the President Trump and Elon Musk are going to be speaking about Bitcoin and other things at the Nashville conference, why wouldn't you? As you see there, we had several bits of unusual activity. And if you bought those and took some profits today, you had a good day.
Yeah. Yeah. Coinbase always seems to kind of somewhat have that mirror with that whole world of Bitcoin and so forth. And you know, MSTR absolutely has been amazing. And to Michael Saylor, I mean, you know what? I don't think any of us should ever question him. I'm not questioning him. I just am amazed by those numbers. But he's been right. He's been absolutely right. But that is a big spread. 3 million on the bearish side and 49 million on the bullish side. It's a pretty good hell of a spread. But nonetheless, I think it's amazing, and we should all be paying attention to this. There's no doubt. I mean, don't put your head in the sand or anything like that, and I think some people have, but I think the reality is there is something to this, and even Kamala Harris was talking about a reset to the relations in crypto. So this isn't just a political thing, one direction or the other. This is something where people are trying to figure out the best way to embrace Bitcoin and that whole world of crypto.
And those Ethereum ETFs, folks, continue to gain investment, as you might expect, because they just came to the market in the last week or so.